It has been months since I have been on this YouTube channel, but I'm very happy to be back. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Elesha Jacobs, especially for those who are new here. If this is your first time seeing the video or you've subscribed and you haven't seen a video in a while, it's been months, and those time off was very intentional. So, welcome. Happy New Year. I will be back on the channel, but I will be showing up a little bit different on this channel because I want to focus on teaching more in 2024. And so a lot of my live trainings and a lot of behind the scenes like setups will be happening on this YouTube channel. So those who've been subscribed to me for a while, thank you so much. I did have some people reach out to me with regards to trying to figure out like what is going on, where the videos and all of that. But I was intentionally taking a break because I needed to do some restructuring in terms of my content and how I can best serve through my content on the YouTube channel. So, welcome back to the channel. And if you have not turned on your notifications, please go ahead and do so because I am going to be doing live teachings or live training sessions every week. God's Sphere Life. All right. So thank you so much. And I'll see you guys in the next